How to set up the device. Press the power button, and the display will show the temperature and time. Press the temperature button once to adjust the ironing temperature. Short press the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the temperature by 5 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius. Hold the plus or minus button to adjust the temperature in increments of 10 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. Press and hold the temperature button for 3 seconds to switch between temperature units. Press the time button to set the ironing time. Short press the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the time by 1 second. Hold the plus or minus button to adjust the time in increments of 5 seconds. Press the mode button to quickly select from the built-in preset parameters. Mode 1, for pure heat transfer vinyl. Mode 2, for glitter heat transfer vinyl. Mode 3, for light or dark heat transfer paper. Mode 4, for sublimation. Press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds to exit preset mode. Press the custom button to set your own temperature and time, and the device will remember your settings. Press the auto button to start automatic ironing. Once the ironing board is pushed back, the heat plate will automatically press down. Press the auto button again to exit the mode. How to choose the right settings. If you have the materials manual, refer to the recommended temperature and time settings on it. If you have lost the manual, you can use the built-in preset modes. How to set temperature and time for different materials. Adjust the temperature and time settings based on the materials you are using, following the parameters shown on the screen. How to decorate a t-shirt using LOKLiK Auto Heat Press. Set the appropriate temperature and time. Pull out the ironing board and place the t-shirt and heat transfer vinyl in order. Then place a Teflon sheet on top. Once heated, push the ironing board back and press the start button to begin ironing. When the timer ends, the heat plate will automatically lift and reset. Pull out the ironing board. After the vinyl cools down, peel off the film. Set the appropriate temperature and time. Pull out the ironing board and place the t-shirt on it. Peel the backing off the heat transfer paper and place it on the t-shirt. Use heat-resistant tape to secure the paper. Then cover it with a Teflon sheet. Once heated, push the ironing board back and press the start button for ironing. After ironing, peel off the heat-resistant tape. Important notes for using LOKLiK Auto Heat Press. Don't touch the heat plate when the device is powered on or just after use, it stays hot for a while. Always maintain a safe distance between your hands and the heat plate to prevent burns. How to improve your results. Try adjusting the temperature by plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius, based on the recommended settings. For example, if the recommended setting is 200 degrees Celsius, try 195 degrees Celsius or 205 degrees Celsius.